Hello, my name is Margaret Nickel, and I'm a licensed esthetician, and I'm in Colorado. And I have a YouTube channel that I'd love for all of you to like and subscribe and share. And I am going to talk to you about Ozempic. I think, like I said, I'm not a doctor. I'm not a doctor, and this is my own experience and my own journey. Even though I hate that word journey. I started out, looks like I started out on 12/7/2023. I started out with the 0.25 milligrams, and now I am on the zero point 0.1 milligram, I think. And I haven't lost any weight. I'm still about 158 pounds, which I'd really like to lose 30 pounds. It really is just, menopause weight from what I can guess. And so we'll see. I'm going to talk to my doctor. There's been quite a few people complaining of side effects, pancreatitis, and their digestive system shutting down. I don't have a very robust digestive system to begin with. I have Hashimoto's thyroiditis, and that affects your digestion. So we'll see if I will be going any higher. Pancreatitis is extremely serious. It's very painful, and I don't want to get involved in anything like that. That would just be devastating. So I also want to talk about, I'm still taking the castor oil. I think I'm just going to take the castor oil for the rest of my life. I think it takes a long time to get rid of inflammation or to really calm that inflammation down. And for many years, I drank diet soda. I can't even tell you how many years. And so many of my coworkers in the beauty business would say to me, Margaret, why are you doing that? And it was such an addiction. It just replaced alcohol. So I've been off of diet soda for about a year and a half, I think, maybe a year. So I'm really trying to heal my gut. I just didn't put two and two together. I didn't realize how damaging it was to my gut health. So let's see if I can't turn this situation around. I hope so. I just got my new VaniCream SPF 30 facial moisturizer, so I'm going to be trying that. So I'm excited about that. And then I also did spray some beautiful VaniCream hairspray unscented in my hair. You want to be careful when using hairspray that you don't get your scalp, that you just spray it into your hair. You can flip your head over and spray your hair. I did that this morning. When I have tried other hairsprays, I would get scabs and sores on my scalp, and it was very uncomfortable. And I love the look of hairspray. I don't like the natural look. I love the done up look. So, now with the VaniCream hairspray, I can have some fun with my hair. And my hair is getting awfully long these days. I think I'm going to be going over to gray clips. I think it looks a little unprofessional, and it's just a little too long, so I'll be probably getting my hair cut today. And I also want to talk about this great mascara I've been using, and it's called Tartelette by Tarte Tubing Mascara. And because I use castor oil on my skin, if I use regular mascara, it just, under my eyes get black. So this has been great. It's been great. It's great for older women who use heavier moisturizers, and you have found that your mascara the moisturizer just wicks the mascara off onto your skin. So that's something to try. I do have a little lip liner on today, which I normally don't use. I think I might try by Charlotte Tilbury. And it's called Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk, and I use that with my beautiful blankety lipstick. I have some bruising around my lips from lip filler, and I also had a lip flip, a Botox lip flip. And on Tuesday, I had 50 units of Botox. So in about 2 weeks, we'll be able to see what my skin, what my face looks like. And I'm going to take some pictures and send them to the doctor who he asked for pictures, see what my face looks like after that. So they really went in and did these frown lines. They did the lip flip. They did in between my eyebrows. They did a lift, an eye lift. So, and they kind of went up here. So I'm really excited to see how that looks. It's going to be very fun. And I think that's about it. I'm trying to make all of my YouTube videos short and to the point, not waste everyone's time. So I'd love it. My video channel is small. I'd like to really, boost the members and the likes, and it would be grateful and very supportive of me. I appreciate that. So have a wonderful day. I did a video on Sunday, and now I'm doing a video today on Thursday because people's parents, their mothers, are asking my friends, when is she gonna upload another video? She never does any videos. So I put makeup on. I'm trying to put makeup on, take care of my hair, and make more videos. So it's fun. And I probably might be having my little dog, Precious, on some of the videos with me. I think you'd enjoy meeting her. She's adorable. She's 12 years old, and she looks great. I've always had her teeth professionally cleaned at the vet once a year, and I think that's really made a difference in how she looks. She's nice and slim. She never got overweight. You don't see her tongue hanging out to the side from, not having any teeth. So I'm so grateful that I have her. She's a great companion, and I'll see if I can't include her in the video. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.